Hi, I'm Kelly from Kelly J Jewellery. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute pendant, something a bit different this week. This is a little bail addition to a drilled stone. So the stone is drilled from front to back there at the top. So let's get to it. So today we're working with a drilled stone. So that's got a hole from front to back. So it doesn't matter what shape or size your stone is, you have to have a drill hole from the front to the back. And today we're going to make like a little bail attachment to attach to a drilled stone. So it doesn't really matter what size it is, but I'll just quickly show you what size mine is. 35mm by 20, just in case you want to know. So I've got 0.8mm base wire, which is 20 gauge, and mine is 7 inches, which is 18 centimeters, so that's just the one length. And I've got some 0.315mm weaving wire, which is 28 gauge, and I've got about 150 centimeters wound onto my bobbin. This is a Bobeeze bobbin by Beadsmith. You just wind your wire in there, and then that sits down by your side as you're working. It just makes it a bit easier for working with the longer lengths. It's up to you if you want to get one of those. It's up to you. Like I say, Beadsmith, Bobeeze. I've got my pliers, my cutters, and my round nose pliers. And I think that's it. Let's get to it. Cut your wires to the length that I have. Take your base wire and measure in about 2.5 inches from the end there. We're going to bend that wire into a V. Take your weaving wire, wrap 3 times around the shorter side. So if we're working with it side on like this, we go 3 times around the one side, push it down, and then holding the tip of that peak there, we go over the other side. So we're going to weave across this gap here, over the other side, and we wrap a couple of times, over this side, and then go around again, over the opposite wire, go around again, and we just keep repeating that. So you go over the opposite wire and around again. Don't let those wires come in together, and keep pushing it down as you go. So you're pushing the weave together all the time and between repeats, and keep repeating that. I've kept repeating that weave. I've got about 1 centimetre of weave. Then we're going to bend the wire in, so holding the weave firmly so it doesn't move, because you don't want to spoil all that weave. We're going to bend the wires in, and then at the top there we're going to bend them back out. And then we're going to carry on weaving. Now as we weave this next part, the wire is going to keep sliding up. So what you do is, see it starting together, you hold that side down as you work this side. So as you work this side, you keep pushing it down, and then you hold this side down as you work that side. So as you work that side, you keep pushing it down with this hand, and then you hold it down with this hand, and you come over to this side and keep pushing it down, and keep repeating that same weave from earlier. Keep going till you get to the top. I'm going to cut that little bit of wire from the beginning, press down that little end. Finish your weave with a few wraps around the one wire. Cut that end and press it down. So next we're going to shape the bail. What we need to do is, here, the little wire, we bend it directly forwards and we pop our stone on there. So your stone is facing that weave. Yeah. Now as we bend this bail over, we're going to take that wire through the bottom of the bail. So scoop that wire around and pop it through the end. Do you know what I mean? So we're going to pull this wire through. We're going to press the bail over and around the stone. If you miss that part and you have to redo it, you're likely to ruin the shape of this weave. So watch that part a few times, rewind and watch it again. In fact, I'll play it again now so you can watch it again, because I want you to get that part right. The little wire, we bend it directly forwards and we pop our stone on there. So your stone is facing that weave. Yeah. Now as we bend this bail over, we're going to take that wire through the bottom of the bail. So scoop that wire around and pop it through the end. Do you know what I mean? So we're going to pull this wire through. And we're going to press the bail over and around the stone. When your bail is in place, we want to really squeeze it down the best you can. And we're going to press this wire down and give it a good squeeze. So now looking at the front, should we finish that wire first? Let's finish that wire first. So all this wire is going to do is grip around the bottom of that bail weave. So with your round nose, just pull it around. So next we're going to take this wire and we're going to bend it directly up. So grip it at the base and bend it directly up like that. Then we're going to bring that wire around. So you bend it up at the base and then you scoop it over and you come around and up like that. Then you take the end of that wire and you bend it around and you post it through the bail, feed it through I'm holding the shape at the front, so it shouldn't misshape too much, hopefully. Give it a good wriggle, pull it through. And then there, you just need to give that a little squeeze so it grips the bail a little bit. And then this side where it comes through, we bend it over the front and we're going to scoop it over. So we can cut that off. That's just going to be a little curl on the front there. So on this side, you just need to press it a little bit just so it grips that side of the bail. That's ended up quite nice and tidy. Nice cute little bail addition if you have a drilled stone. I'll oxidise mine and I'll come back and show you. So there we have it, finished. It's a bit wobbly, but I don't mind. It's very secure. I've oxidised mine. If you like help oxidising yours, I've done videos on oxidising and aftercare. I'll put links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now. Bye.